Hey everyone, Arcanisis MC here, and I'm just putting together this quick little video to explain how I have set up doing my bees. These are my 4 industrial apiaries, and each one I have queens creating drones. Um, Eldritch, yeah. So these are all basically just the same. These I need to undo the unweary because I've well over that. So each one of these has the automation upgrade, which will bring this princess over, bring another drone, bring the drones over, and then breed a new queen. I also have daylight, so they will operate at night, and heater upgrades because it is a little chilly here, and many of the breeds that I'm doing do not want to, uh, they just don't want to breed in this climate. So all of that is automated. It pulls the combs out and extra drones out, and then this is obviously processing the various honeycombs that I'm getting. So once I get a stack of drones, I will bring them in here, put them in the genetic sampler, and then that will spit out the genetic samples. I'm kind of between them right now because I'm breeding up new stock. These are some I want to keep for another template. And then what I'm looking for is the species trait. As soon as I get the species trait, I will imprint them on a genetic template. Each one, it only has the species, right? These are the ones that I've done so far. And I'm pulling those from the drones because you need like a stack of drones. It's kind of hit or miss. Secondary to that, I have this one, which I imprint on everything that goes into, every queen that goes into one of those apiaries has this one imprinted to it. And these are the preferential traits that I've collected so far. So rocks, we don't really need flowers. Cave dwellings, true. It doesn't need access to the sky. Shortest lifespan, because I want these things to process quickly. And then a fertility of 4. So it'll produce 4 drones, or I think it's 4 drones in a princess, or 3 drones. It produces more. The stacks get larger quicker. Tolerant flyer, so it'll also operate in the rain. And as I get more of the traits that are preferential, I will fill those in as we go. So then in the post that I'm going to include this in, there's a link that shows all the different types of bees that you want. Like if you need a bee to produce eulorium, I believe it's a yellow bee. I could be mistaken. And that's the one that I'm kind of going for immediately so I can power my reactors. But, as we get those, I'm working towards getting them in there so I can start producing the materials that we need. I kind of think it might have been a little bit quicker just to do a laser drill because I've been doing this about a week now and it's fairly complicated. I'm hoping that once I get it all in place, it'll be a little bit easier. But at any rate, that is the way I'm doing it now. I'm currently, once I get the species trait and move on to the next bee, I will keep 1 stack of, where are they? Yeah, I'll keep 1 stack of drones, and I have some others elsewhere. These are the drones that I've already have species for. I've moved past them. I want to keep them in case I need them again. And then these are all pristine princesses that we have picked up in our travels. And these I use to imprint the species on. So yeah, that's basically it. It is a work in progress at this point. They are creating some mad flowers out here. These are all, I think there was like 1 or 2 flowers out here a week ago when I started, and then this happened. Be careful because there's some like this one, the death bloom, and it'll knock a dent in you. But at any rate, that's where I'm at with it so far. So take care, hit like if this was helpful.